This is the solution to x 14(1). Okay, so find the intercepts or show there aren't any. All right, so there's two varieties of intercept. One of them is an x-intercept. So an x-intercept, this is when y is equal to 0. So to find them, you plug in y is 0 and simplify. So plugging in y is 0, the equation becomes 4x minus 9 is equal to 3 minus 8x. 4x minus 9, 3 minus 8x, good. So now move the 8x over so that we have 12x minus 9 is 3, move the 9 over so that we have 12x is 12, divide by 12 so we have x is 1, and therefore there is an x-intercept of 1, 0. Remember, an intercept is a point. So it's when x is 1 and y is 0. Fine. A y-intercept, the algebraic condition now is that this is when x is 0. So now we plug in x is 0 and see if we can solve for y. All right. So that would be 6y minus 9 is equal to 3 plus 2y. Great. So I'll move the 2y over, subtract it, subtract 2y so that we'd have 4y minus 9 is 3. Move the 9 over so that we have 4y is 12. And divide by 4 so that we have y is 3. And therefore there is a y-intercept, and it is at the point x is 0, y is 3. Exact same story in part B. Kind of the exact same kind of story. An x-intercept, again, this is when y is 0. So that would, the equation after plugging in y 0 becomes negative 3x is equal to y is 0, so negative 8 plus x. All right, so I can subtract an x so that I have negative 4x is equal to negative 8. Divide by negative 4, so x is 2. So the x-intercept, there is one, and it occurs at 2, 0. Y-intercept, algebraically, this is when x is 0. So plug in x is 0 and perform your work. So the equation reads 2y plus y is equal to y minus 8 plus y. Okay, simplifying both sides. The left-hand side simplifies to 3y. The right-hand side simplifies, no, is that right? 2y and a y, yes, 3y. Good, and then is equal to y, and then another y, okay, fine. 3y, and then the right-hand side is 2y minus 8. Subtract the 2y, so we have y is 8. Therefore, there is a y-intercept, and it occurs at x is 0, y is 8. Finally, recall that visually an x-intercept, this is where the graph intersects. It's an intersection with the x-axis. So the horizontal one being x and the vertical one being y. Does the graph touch the x-axis anywhere? Sure it does. Here's one of them. I guess the only one. Right there. So that's an x-intercept. Similarly, y-intercept. That is an intersection with the y-axis this time. Are there any? Yeah, sure there are. There's two of them. One right here and one right there. So that's one there,